Woogers, what's up? I'm back at y'all again with another video. And right now I'm going to say the prayer over the food just to get that over with, okay? Amen. Okay, so look, I have a special guest with me today, my Suga Wugas. This is Jalil. This is my little cousin. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Okay. How old are you, Jalil?
6.
He been dying to do a video with me, and today I said, you can do a video with me. Okay, my Suga Wugas. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love, okay? Alright, so today, we are doing Burger King. So you know, I got the Impossible Burger and I got the regular burger. I'm going to tell y'all what's the deal. I never, ever had a burger that wasn't a burger. You think I'm going to like it? You think I'm going to like this? This is a it's supposed to be a burger, but it's not a burger. It's a vegetable burger. It's like, I don't even know. But he's having, tell him what you're having, Jalil.
I'm having a regular burger.
Does it have cheese on it?
Yeah, a cheeseburger.
Okay, what else you got with that cheeseburger?
French fries.
And what you got to drink? Right there.
Sprite.
All right. And I have Coke. He was good. Good. All right, that's good. All right, y'all. So, woo! I'm going to take a bite of this first because I haven't had a Whopper in a long time. So you can go ahead and start eating. But oh, big old piece of lettuce just fell right in my lap, y'all. All right, here I go. Go ahead. I'm scared, y'all, because I hope then I'm going to take a bite. What? It tastes like a burger, I think. It looks like a burger. Doesn't that look like a burger? Want to taste it?
Huh?
Want to taste it? Taste that.
It's fine.
It tastes fine? I can't believe it. Okay. So, y'all, I don't know. Taste. Let me see. Let me try a regular, but this is a real Whopper. That's not. This is. What is it? Okay. Good? Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. Why does this taste more juicier than this? I don't know. Maybe I bit a dry part. I don't know. Let me see. I don't know, y'all. That's different. Let me see. Let me do this again. Like this is more juicier or something.
It tastes amazing.
I do. Let me tell you something. Y'all can definitely fool me and give me this and say it's a burger because it really tastes like a burger. It really, really do. It tastes like a burger, don't it? And it's not a burger. Did you know that? That's not a burger.
It's a Whopper.
It's a y'all, oh my goodness. I'm not vegan. Hold up. What kind of burger is this? I mean, it's not a burger. It's it's vegetable burger.
It's a Whopper.
It's a Whopper, but it's not a burger. How you explain this if you don't know yourself?
That cat sniffing my shoes.
I hope it don't get up to my stomach, though.
That cat sniffing my shoes.
It's okay. Well, that's different. So, I was asking everybody today, what should I eat? And I got something with carbs, watermelon. I'm going to get to the watermelon. I don't have it right now, but I'm going to get that. Then I got Impossible Burger. And I said, well, I didn't do that yet, so I decided to go with the Impossible Burger. Or, do you know what that is?
It's like a picture.
Oh, yeah. There you go. See, he got it. I can't believe this. You know what? That burger is for people who don't eat meat. And so that's why it's called, tastes like a burger. And it's really not a burger. That's interesting, y'all. That's real interesting to me. It really is. So, my review on this, maybe this Whopper was just a little, I guess a little dry. I gotta put, no, it don't look dry. See? What? See? I'm gonna take another bite. You ready for school? What grade you going in? Tell Suga Wugas what grade you going in.
1st grade.
You got anybody you want to say hi to? Go ahead.
Hi, guys.
Guys? Who the guys? Who the... You don't know? You don't know, y'all. You got it? No. Well, don't you squeeze that, it might come out with me. Y'all see that? There you go. Let me eat this Impossible Burger. It's impossible.
Excuse me.
Look at me eating it. Oh no, maybe I shouldn't have looked at it. What that look like? Does that look like meat?
That is meat.
Yeah. Let's try that. Okay, now we really want to check out the difference. Let me see. Yeah, y'all see that difference? Look at that. I shouldn't have looked at that because. Let me taste that.
The hamburger was good. And the whole wide world.
Been Whopper.
A Whopper? Where's my paper?
What paper?
On my clothes.
You want to show him that? That's what he got in his Happy Meal. What is it?
It's a bunny rabbit do this.
Okay. Is he on a show? What show are you on?
The Burger King show?
He is? Is it really a Burger King show?
No, it's like on Netflix.
Oh.
It's a
Did y'all know about that? Comment below if you know what you're talking about. Because I didn't. Yo, it's... Just now, you know what, y'all? See? It's because I looked at it. Is what's taking a while. I'm going to go here with the real burger. That's just... He dipping his fries in ketchup. I was tearing it up. I was tearing it up until I looked at it. Before Winston,
that noise?
Winston and them, Winston, they know Winston. They know my kitten. They ain't meat pickles. Right here.
You pick them up in the camera?
One time I did when I was done eating. I saw the Suga Wugas, the cat. So you like being on my YouTube channel? You gonna do your own? What you gonna do on yours? You don't know yet?
I'm gonna try to make one.
You gonna try to make one? Did you tell him how old he was? You did?
Yeah, that's it.
In the beginning? I forgot, y'all. That quick.
Before you watch it, you're gonna see I said I'm 6 years old.
Okay. All right. I'm getting full.
I'm almost done.
Y'all know I ain't gonna eat. Nope. Y'all remember what I went through with the quadruple burgers. You know I ain't gonna sit here and try this. Nope. It was good though. It was good, and it psyched my mind out to make me believe that it's a burger. I can see y'all who don't eat meat eating that. But me, I was tearing it up until I looked at it. That's what happens with me.
Not ketchup. Use ketchup.
Let's use some of that ketchup. Why you want to use a whole other packet?
Yes, because
What?
I put in my burger.
For your burger, that little teeny piece. Look at the little piece he talking about, y'all. Can y'all see that? Look, little teeny piece. Oh no. Go ahead. Go ahead, show him. That little teeny piece of burger. You can get ready to put some ketchup on it. Go ahead. Woo! Did you have enough? Yes, you did. You not full. I'm full. I'm about to wrap this up. You anything you want to say to the Suga Wugas before I wrap it up? Let it go. Let them go if they didn't already let me go. What you want to say? Talk to them. Oh, I guess you forgot, huh? He thinking hard. Y'all see this?
I'm gonna say, people always say this. Comment down below if you know. And Then they say, see you later, guys, bye, and they slap the thing.
Oh, well, yeah, they go, ooh, but I don't do that. I mean, you know, I don't slap it.
And I was just like, ooh.
Mm-hmm. But this is what I do. Okay, Sugar Wugas, I'm about to let you go if you didn't already let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't
Comment
forget.
down below if you know.
Okay, what? Comment down below.
If you know. And watch another video. And see you later, guys.
Okay. And look, we have to leave the Sugar Wugas with a big old hug. Big old hug. See y'all on my next video.